Welcome to Devi's English. Let me explain you adverb. An adverb is a word that qualifies verb, an adjective and another adverb. Example, the old man walks slowly. In this sentence, how the old man walks? Slowly. Slowly qualifies verb walks. This book is very interesting. In this sentence, interesting is an adjective. It qualifies very. So, very is an adverb. She can run very fast. In this sentence, very is an adverb. Fast also an adverb. Very qualifies fast. So, then one adverb qualifies another adverb. Kinds of adverbs. Kinds of adverbs 9. Adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of number, adverb of degree, adverb of manner, adverb of affirmation, adverb of negation, adverb of reason, interrogative adverbs. Adverb of time. An adverb of time denotes when an action is done. I read the newspaper daily. When I read the newspaper daily. So daily here adverb of time. We attend the classes regularly. When we attend the classes regularly. So attend verb, regularly adverb. Regularly qualifies verb attend. Adverb of place. An adverb of place denotes where an action is done. Please come in. Come where in adverb. Where you come. In place indicating adverb. So in is an adverb of place. I can go there. In this sentence, go where, there adverb. Where can I go? There. There indicating place. So there is adverb of place. Adverb of number. An adverb of number denotes how many times an action is done. We eat food thrice in a day. Here, eat action indicating word verb, thrice adverb, because thrice qualifies eat. How many times we eat food? So then thrice here adverb of number. I have read this novel twice. So in this sentence, read verb, twice adverb. How many times I have read this novel? Twice. So twice indicating here adverb of number. Adverb of degree. An adverb of degree denotes to what extent an action is done. An action how much completed. So then the work has almost been finished. In this sentence, how much work finished? Almost. So here qualifies, almost qualifies finished verb. So almost is an adverb. They were totally disappointed. How much they disappointed? Totally. So totally here adverb. Disappointed verb. Adverb of manner. An adverb of manner denotes how an action is done. He fought bravely. How he fought? Bravely. So bravely here adverb. It qualifies fought verb. She walks slowly. How she walks? Slowly. So, slowly is an adverb. Adverb of affirmation. An adverb of affirmation denotes a positive expression. I certainly do this. So, here certainly qualifies do verb. Certainly indicating here positive expression. Upon action word do. Surely you are mistaken. Mistaken verb, surely adverb. In this sentence also, surely qualifies mistaken verb. So that surely is an adverb. It tells positive expression. It is called adverb of affirmation. Adverb of negation. An adverb of negation denotes a negative expression. Never have I seen English movies. In this sentence, never adverb, seen verb. Never adverb, how can you identify? Because verb qualifies never. It qualifies seen. So that never is an adverb, seen is verb. I seldom see movies. When you see movies, seldom. So it qualifies verb see here. So seldom here adverb. In these two sentences, never and seldom indicating negative expressions. Adverb of reason. An adverb of reason denotes why an action is done. Thus, your challenge is proved. In this sentence, proved action indicating word verb. Why your challenge is proved? If you ask yourself, thus that reason expressing there. So, thus qualifies proved verb. So, thus is an adverb. Hence, you have accepted. In this sentence, accepted is verb. So, why you have accepted? Hence, it indicating reason. So that hence is an adverb because it qualifies verb accepted. Interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverbs are the adverbs which are used to make a question. How much money does she need? Here, much adjective. According to the definition, an adverb qualifies adjective also. So that how here adverb much is an adjective. How qualifies much here? So how is an interrogative adverb. How many brothers have you? Here many adjective. How adverb. How qualifies many adjective. So that how is an interrogative adverb. Thank you.